Welcome back. Hope you're enjoying this review blitz weekend summer giveaway. You name it, a lot of fun. Hey, today in the spotlight we have brand new from MiLESEEY, the TP2 Plus thermal camera. Bet you haven't seen this before. Big shout out to MiLESEEY. Thanks so much for sending the TP2 Plus in for this review.
MiLESEEY TP2 Plus.
Handheld wireless thermal imager.
Innovation is so important when it comes to electronics, especially today. Things are changing, improving, getting better all the time, and it really is nice when you see somebody who thinks out of the box. MiLESEEY has done just that with this very cool thermal camera, wireless mobile thermal imager. Yeah, a lot of innovation here, a lot of neat little features you don't normally see on a thermal camera, and the fact that it's just a wireless device that will talk to your phone, wherever that phone may be, as long as it's in range, that is very, very cool. MiLESEEY gives you two different manuals, a quick start guide as well as this more in-depth handheld wireless imaging manual. Goes into detail about the different features, the descriptions, overview of the app, types of connectivity, and of course, the different user interfaces that you can use with your TP2. Quick start guide, always a bonus as well. And speaking of bonus, how about that carrying case? It's really nice. Rubberized, feels good in the hand. It's got that USB-C cable for charging. All in all, great to have something portable with a case when you're on the go. Package. This machine is very, very light, but the same. Well, I don't know, maybe even lighter than my Samsung phone, but it just feels so good in the hand. Now, the cool thing is, like I said, it's wireless. You can attach it to your phone if you want to, but you don't need to, and we'll look at that shortly. But all in all, just a great looking device. Has a really nice body here. The rubber inlay is very high end, very good quality. And here we see our USB in for charging. This is the TP2 Plus. The TP2 also comes in the plain vanilla version as well. Not much difference than the TP2, but I'll look at that shortly. First thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store and download that Thermal TP Series app for your phone. Takes only seconds, and of course you can't use the thermal camera without having the app installed. As I mentioned, I'm using an Android phone here, but fear not, it comes in both flavors, Android or Apple OS. So App Store or Google Play Store, choice is yours. Download the app for your phone. Really simple to operate. Here we have our power button, Type-C slot, and of course we have a battery indicator light here that will come on as you see in just a minute. As well, we have a 1/4-inch UNC tripod slot right there, so you can put this on a tripod as well, make it a total hands-free experience. Okay, so let's turn on our MiLESEEY, shall we? Hold down on the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds. And you can see we have those LEDs flashing now, just saying that the unit is indeed booting up. While that is turning on, we will go to the app itself. Now take note, this thermal camera talks to your phone via the Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is not turned on, you're going to get this error message pop up on your mobile device saying, hey, you got to turn on the Bluetooth drivers. So let's just... Once Bluetooth is turned on, go ahead and relaunch the app with the Bluetooth turned on. Hit research, and it's going to find it. There it is, TP2 Plus. Click on that connect button, and away you go. So in this case, I'm just going to ignore that firmware upgrade for now, and we're going to get right into the gist of it. And look at that right away. You know, we are connected to our MiLESEEY. Now, it's hard to see, but yeah, I've actually got a protective cover here on top, so I'm just going to remove that, and look at that gorgeous lens. Oh man, that just looks amazing, doesn't it? Now, as you can see, check it out. Yes, indeed. So wirelessly, here we are, connected now to the phone. And you can see Yeah, look at that. I mean, this is just a quick little intro to how simple and quick you can get connected to your thermal imaging camera and start having fun. Now, as well, you can tell here we've got these little attachments because you can actually hook it to your phone if you want to. If you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can do that. So it's actually part of your phone as you're taking those images. I mean, yeah, look at that. For this display, though, I'm going to remove it from the phone for now. Keep it as a separate device, one entity. Now we take a closer look at those camera specs. 3.2 millimeter lens, f1.1. So it's a wide aperture, very wide aperture. And that's what you want because we're letting as much light as is possible. Also, you can scan that QR code on the back of your TP2 Plus for more information, download user manuals, and of course, get the software. The LEDs across the board here indicates we have a full battery charge. As it slowly loses its charge, you'll see that 3 go down to 2, then to 1, and then it's time to plug it in. So there's my beautiful wife working hard at the computer. And look at that, I am able to take a picture. Yeah, and there we were. I was about 20 feet away, and no, of course, one of the big things about this MiLESEEY TP2 is the fact that you can put it anywhere. This can go where typical infrared thermal cameras just cannot go. It's so small. The fact that it doesn't have to be tethered to anything, yes, you can pretty well get into anywhere, probably underneath a furnace, what have you, places that your typical thermal camera just is too big to reach. You can certainly reach it with this TP2. That sort of accessibility and the portable form factor is just awesome. You can see the different temperature modes as well. Depending on your preference, I do like your standard thermal imaging mode though for myself. Personal preference, of course, but hey, it's nice to have those options. Here in the center of the screen, it's telling us the temperature, maximum and minimum in both Celsius or Fahrenheit. Having that mount capability, as you can see, can really extend the usefulness of this thermal camera as well. So tripod mount 1/4 inch and you are good to go. Awesome. Here you can see how that tripod mount can really add usefulness to your thermal camera. Look at that, man, oh man, that is so cool. So just put it up on the mount and it gives you that extra set of hands, and being wireless, it just opens up the possibilities. Awesome. You can see here when it's charging as well, you're getting that chargeable indicator, just letting you know that indeed charging is taking place. Alrighty, time to choose a winner. It's gonna be a quick one. Man, it's gonna be a quick one. G. Bedford, congratulations, my friend. You've just won yourself a brand new Andon Star 8203 pocket microscope. Nuts, lucky, awesome. I'm so happy for you. Hey, good job. Thanks to everybody for entering the contest. And it's as easy as that. Hey, when we have these, leave a comment and you can win. So here I've got a really old Heathkit voltage reference source. And I am going to thermal image this while it's turned on. Let's see what happens. So that Heathkit is warming up, as you can see, and man, oh man, those tubes are glowing hot. Now, unfortunately, there's no manual zoom, so if I gotta get in close, I gotta take it off the tripod and use it my hands. Taking a close look at that transform, and that's actually not doing too badly. Those tubes, though, are super hot. And look at that resistor as well. Man, that thing is smoking. 126 degrees Celsius. If you're wondering, no, this Heathkit is not working at this moment. It's unserviceable. So I will definitely be using this to effect the repairs. But man, oh man, you can see just how useful it is, because just taking a look at this, you would never know where that heat dissipation is coming from, or even if there's an issue. But boy, just put that thermal camera on it and you can tell right away where those hot zones are. Tubes at the top. And they're coming around 100 degrees right now as well. Something else we like as well is the detail on that thermal image. Look at the crispness of the image. Look how clear it is. A lot of thermal cameras just don't have that clarity up this close. So awesome. All right, here we're in nighttime operation. Yes, it's late at night. The neighbors are fast asleep. And I'm out there with my thermal camera, being a nosy little bugger. Anyway, here we are. This is actually an electric vehicle you're looking at, so not a lot of heat coming off the engine well. But most of the heat is underneath the car, believe it or not, as you can tell with that heat signature. But very cool. 25 hertz frame rate, does not skip a beat. And you've got multiple selections for views as well. In frame, picture in picture, the whole 9 yards. So lots of flexibility with this camera. Super useful, multiple modes. Worked like a charm. As I mentioned earlier on, you can attach this to your phone if you want. You don't need to, but if you want to get a sort of a hands-free attach to the phone and take your thermal images. Very cool. As you can see, it is snug like a bug in the rug. Look at that. That is not going anywhere. Closing thoughts of the TP2 Plus from MiLESEET. Oh, you can tell I really like this camera. Not only does it give stellar thermal images, but it takes images that really other thermal cameras just can't take. Why? Because this device is completely wireless and small, and you can get into those hard to find areas that other cameras just can't do. I never had one issue with the software at all. This thing is fast, even when you are long range away. I was up to 40 feet away and I didn't have any issues. Very, very nice. The real-time dual spectrum thermal imaging means you're getting both an optical as well as a thermal image in one, creating a very detailed image. Not a lot of negative to say about this camera. Sure, it's not the cheapest out there, but then again, you get what you pay for. That being said, it is perhaps, you need a mobile phone, you need a mobile device, tablet, what have you. Apple or Android, yes, you do need one of those if you want to use this camera. But honestly, that is the nitpicking for me because I am super impressed with this. And you know how I know? Because I'm going to hang on to this little puppy and have some thermal imaging fun. This thing is definitely worth it. It is miles ahead of a lot of the competition. Hey, and let's not forget, one of the most important things, the TP2 Plus does both JPEG picture format as well as full MP4 video. It does it all. Having the option to actually attach it to your phone or use it as a single handheld device is very, very useful. Man, oh man, I just love this camera. The MiLESEET TP2 Plus gets a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Oh yeah, I am keeping this one. Man, oh man, I will give you updates as they come along, letting you know just how useful this camera is. Hey, check out the links in the description. Always a deal for my viewers. Hey, you guys rock. Thanks for watching this review, everybody. Congratulations again to our winner of that awesome digital microscope. Lots more prizes coming up this summer. Hey, till the next one, keep on testing.